But we'll begin with the last 24 hours on our star, and the departing coronal hole is what's responsible for the geomagnetic activity we've been having. The sunspots have been quiet and flaring is low, but the solar wind remains elevated due to that coronal hole. Fastest coronal hole solar wind of the sunspot cycle so far drove lasting geomagnetic storms throughout the day and into this morning. On the 1-hour KP index charts, we see it did briefly climb above that KP6 mark a few times, including one KP7 event, but we managed to evade the larger and technologically dangerous conditions. While the sunspots are quiet, my eyes are firmly set on this plasma filament today. Could produce a sizable CME if it erupts. Let's move on to seismicity, where we had two larger events the last day, a 6.6 in China, luckily striking a fairly unpopulated mountainous region, and we had another 6-pointer strike the Pacific Rise west of South America. Worth noting that those often precede bigger quakes at that coastline, and that fault is well overdue.